You're listening to the International Moving Podcast, your guide to moving to another country, brought to you by SDC International Shipping, LA's finest. An international move is exciting. It's a time to start over, establish a new business maybe, reestablish family ties, or retire where your budget will do more for you. Please enjoy today's episode, and if you have any questions about your international move, give us a call at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.
Welcome to the podcast, and today we're taking you to one of the most iconic destinations for Americans moving abroad, France. From the cobblestone streets of Paris to the lavender fields of Provence, France offers a quality of life that's hard to match. But behind every dream move is a plan, and that is where SDC International Shipping makes all the difference. Moving to France isn't just about getting your furniture overseas. It's about getting your life there smoothly. Whether you're relocating to Lyon for work, settling in Bordeaux with your family, or starting a new adventure on the Riviera, SDC's door-to-door international moving services handles every step, from professional export packing and ocean or air freight to French custom coordination and in-home delivery. Your move begins with a simple planning call or virtual survey. We'll map your priorities, recommend the best freight options, sea, air, or hybrid, and assign a personal relocation coordinator to guide you through the entire process. At SDC, we make international moving personal. You'll never wonder where your shipment is or who's handling it. Every stage, from loading day in America to furniture assembly in France. It all flows through one unified system. Your move to France should be as elegant as your destination, calm, organized, and beautifully orchestrated. Make your move to France simple and stress-free. Visit sdcinternationalshipping.com or give us a call, 877-339-0267, to request your free France moving quote today.
We hope you enjoyed today's episode. Thanks for listening. Whether you're relocating within the country or moving to the other side of the world, we're here to help from start to finish. Connect with us today at 888-779-3962. That's 888-779-3962.